Hello.
Hello. Join in.
Actually, from the computer, it did not work. I don't know why. So I have joined you from my phone.
Okay. Carry on.
You may say when we need to start.
Start, please.
Okay. So hello everyone. This is International Dance Council, SID UNESCO, the Nizhny Novgorod section of the International Dance Council organized the section of this beautiful event. Kathak and the Sufi thought its similarities and differences. This project was made by Miss Kalpana Verma and Kalahetu NGO. The technical support by Mr. Amit Kumar Rutais. So our session will held today, 18th January. The next one will be 27th of January and 9th February 2022 at this time, 3:30 p.m. Indian time zone. Today we have a very special day for us because we missed our guru, Burju Maharaj. He was a huge name in the field of Kathak dance. Today's lecture will be held minus costume and Gohungrus as a mark of respect at the feet of our beloved Guru with the demonstrations. So no one will wear Gohungrus on costumes. We treat as an obituary from World Dance Council to one of the greatest maestros of Kathak, a pure centurion. Kalahetu NGO is a great big organization that works for the preservation of Kathak dance. Besides, they are so much connected to the roots of this dance style. They will explain and they will sort out from what is coming exactly, what makes these kind of vibes in order to understand the real Kathak dance. So today's seminar title, let's say, it can be called the classical dance form of Northern India. So the lecture will be by Miss Kalpana Verma, demonstrations by Mukesh Gangani, Vasu Krishna Maharaj, and Vaibhav Krishna Maharaj, and Ragini Maharaj. Welcome everyone. This is International Dance Council, the only official organization on dance, and enjoy today's seminar.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. We would like to start the evening by lighting of the lamp. Please come all. We begin today's evening as an offering. We begin today's evening as an offering at the feet of our Guru who departed on the 16th night. Yesterday, his cremation was done, so it is actually too early. But I feel the only way we can offer our feelings is via the vehicle of dancing. Hence, all my young friends with me. Uh, Ragini Maharaj is Birju Maharaj's granddaughter. So she was unable to come because of the family mishap that has happened. So in her place, I am performing, and in place of Vaibhav and Vasu, Aman Kathak will be dancing. Aman Pandey is dancing. So otherwise, Vaibhav and Ragini, they are all with us in soul, I'm really sure. Mukesh and Siddhant will be representing the Jaipur style of Kathak. I will be representing Lucknow, and Aman will be representing the Banaras school. So I hope you have a great time, and thank you. We would like to begin with Maharaji's AV.
ये दिन दा दिन दिन दा ये आवर्तन जिंदगी भी आवर्तन है कितनी बार आवर्तन लगेगी मालिक की कृपा से वो गिनता रहता है हमारे ज़माने में सब लोगों को ऐसा ऐसा सुना है सभी लोगों को सुना है और सबसे संगीत का रिश्ता रहा है ताल का रिश्ता रहा है स्वर का रिश्ता रहा है तो ये मैं बिल्कुल ये सोच के आया था क्योंकि कल्पना भी हमारी पुरानी शागिर्दों में से हैं कला हेतु कुछ साल पहले शुरुआत हुई थी और प्रयास में लगे देखिए जितना अच्छा प्रयास शुरू रहेगा चलता रहेगा उतना ही सफलता होगी मेहनत तो लगती है ईमानदारी सबसे बड़ी बात है अपने को किसी को जमाने के लिए किसी को रम जमाने के लिए अगर सिर्फ इच्छा रह जाए तो वो कलाकार उसको हम नहीं मानते तुम किसको खुश कर रहे हो यार देखो तो सही उस मालिक को खुश करो उसकी वजह से आप उसकी कथा कहें और सुने लोग वो कथा सुन के वो भी झूमे तो सब कथाकार सब कथा है ये भी कथाकार ये भी अपनी सारंगी से कथा कहते हैं अपनी तबले से कथा कहते हैं ऐसी भाषा में कहते हैं जो मालिक ने बनाया तिटे तिटे धागे तिटे घेगे तिटे नागे ताके नेते ने ताके तेते ना करते दागे करते ये भाषा ऐसी भाषा है जो मालिक ने दी है करता तुम ना जुटे 1 2 3 1 2 3 दाजिंदा कर दाजिंदा 1 2 3 1 2 3 दाजि कतिटे दाजिंदा 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 कतिटे दाजि 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 कतिटे दा तुम दा 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 तो देखिए क्या उस मालिक ने चार मात्रों में एक दुनिया बांध ली है एदो चीजा बाजी साता एदो चीजा बाजी साता एदो चीजा बाजी साता दागिटे दागिटे दादेंदा 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 मैंने बहुत लोगों का आशीर्वाद पाया है तो मैं तो बचपने से सबको बड़ा प्यार करता रहा इस वजह से बिरजू महाराज दिखाई पड़ते रहे दागड़ दागड़ दा दिन दिन दा दागड़ दिन दागड़ दिन दागड़ दिन दा दागिने तीन दा 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 दादा के तीन दा दादा के तीन दा दादा के तीन दा तो ये कहते हुए कला है तो कल्पना को भी सबको आशीर्वाद देते हैं और आप सब लोग तो हमारे बिल्कुल ऐसे करीब रहते हैं जो श्रोता होते हैं ना वो तो आर्टिस्ट के करीब होते हैं दूर तो होते ही नहीं जो मन से सुनने वाले हैं वो हमारे हैं पर वो प्यार है इस वजह से लोग आते हैं तो ये कहते हुए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है दागड़ दिन दागड़ दिन दागड़ दिन दा दिन दिन दा दा दिन दा दा दागड़ दिन दागड़ दिन दोंगड़ दिन गेंडा गेंडा दादा काजा काजेगे टेगे ताला टेगे ताला जो दागड़ दिन दोंगड़ दिन दा 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 ना दागड़ दिन दोंगड़ दिन दा 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 ना दागड़ दिन दोंगड़ दिन दा 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 आशीर्वाद शुभकामना और संस्था सफलता की ओर बढ़ती जाए जो ईमानदारी से करेगा वो बढ़ता जाएगा
Good evening. With the blessings of my guru, in which he was, in a nutshell, he was just saying that honesty is the only way that you can rise in life or in the field of art. We should perform not to impress, but to impress the Almighty, because once He is impressed, everything else will fall into shape. I begin today's lecture. Kathak is the classical dance form of northern India. Before really talking about Kathak, I think we should know what dance is. Dance can rightfully be called a universal language. It is a language which is prevalent all over the world. Why? Because it is a means of communication. Without words, we convey thoughts, we convey expressions, and we convey feelings. By this way, a dancer, without moving his lips, just uses his body, he uses his eyes, he uses his hands, and he expresses a complete story. And that is what dance is. Dance, I feel, is a complete balance between your inner body, that is your subtle body, and the outer body, that is the gross body. The better the balance, the better is the dancer. The better is the image that he tries to create. A dancer, as per my guru, is always painting pictures in space. The better the mental faculties of the artist, the better will be the performance, and better will be the portrayal, or better will be the way he can express. Basically, dance is a language of expression. In dance, it has been compared to yoga. It is a complete form of devotion. When a Hindu was dancing, he was dancing to his Indian deities like Rama, Krishna, Shiva, depending on whether he was a Vaishnavite or whether he was a Shaivite. But our dancing, like India, has a very, it's a complete fabric with different religions and their contributions into enriching our styles. So when a Muslim started dancing, or when the impact of the Muslim culture fell in, the Sufi came up. The Sufi, while there was deity worship in Hinduism, the Sufi was worshipping the universe. He was worshipping the universe, and he was worshipping the Almighty Allah, which had no form. He was believing in a formless God, which was Allah. So when he danced, when a Sufi Darwish danced, he was swirling, and his swirling represented the universe. He was representing the universe which swirled, and with him, everything was swirling with him. Hence, it is a complete balance between the inner, the outer, the devotion, the belief, and the religion. That is what dance is. It can actually be called moving meditation. When a dancer dances, he has to lose complete body consciousness. If he is worried whether he's thin or he's fat or he's dark or he's white or he's pink or he's blue, a dancer will not be able to perform. He has to completely forget that he is Kalpana Verma, that he is Mukesh Gangani, that he is Aman Pandey, or he is Siddhant Purohit to be able to dance. It is only the language of Siddhant's body, Mukesh's body, Aman's body, and Kalpana's body in consonance to the upper Lord, that is God. When the purer the image, if my image is pure, the painting I'm trying to create will be clear. If vice versa, for every artist, the purer the inner self, the better is the picture he tries to paint. Now coming to Kathak. Katha kahe, so kathik kahave. What it means, this is a Hindi saying, it means Katha means narration. Katha kahe, the person who narrates is the Kathik, and what he narrates is Kathavachan. So the person who is narrating a story is the Kathak, whether it is the tabla, whether it is the Ghungru, whether it is Mukesh, whether it is Siddhant, whether it is Aman, whether it is me, we are all trying to narrate different stories through our vehicle, the body called ourself. Now, Kathak is basically, first, we have two very famous epics called the Natya Shastra and the Abhinay Darpan, which codified movement, which codified expression, which codified a person's dance. And when you fell into those categories, you were either classical or non-classical. So Kathak was supposed to be the sixth classical form of India, the others being Bharatnatyam from south, Kathakali from south, Kuchipudi from south, Manipuri and Odissi from northeast, and the sixth Kathak from the north of India. Kathak again was dependent upon the moving Kathak, the Kathak who moved and narrated stories. They were basically a family of bards who used to move from one place to the other, narrating stories of God to the audiences when it was in a temple, to the zamindar when it was in a zamindari, to a court when it was in court. Kathak went through all these phases, first moving from one place to the other, settling in a temple, from the temple moving to the zamindar, from the zamindar moving to the courts, whether it were Hindu courts, whether it was the Mughal courts. So now coming to the major three gharanas that Kathak has been identified is are the Lucknow gharana, the Jaipur gharana, and the Banaras gharana. Now, Lucknow gharana, when you come to it, I am a student of Lucknow gharana, and I have been part of that since I was a kid. And the Lucknow people were basically focusing on expression, on body movement, and it was more subtle, I think, in their representation, because Lucknow Gharana moved into, it started with a Kathak called Ishwari Prasad, who was a resident of Handia district, and from there he got a dream from the Lord Krishna, it seems, who told him to write the Nritya Shastra, and hence he started whatever he learned through his dream or through his experience, he taught his three sons, Adgu, Khadgu and Tularam, and from there it moved on and on and on into the 9th generation that is performing Kathak from the Lucknow Gharana today. Now, during the time of Thakur Prasad ji, this Gharana moved into Wajid Ali's court. He became the guru there. He was teaching the Rani, the Ranis, and Wajid Ali Shah, who himself was a dancer, had an Indra Sabha, where he was Indra and his Begums were the Apsaras. And the teaching and the choreographing of these things were done by Thakur Prasad ji, who was a court dancer there. During his time, Kathak gained a lot in guts, in rhythm, and in movement, because the Mughals loved competition. So the element of competition came into existence. Earlier, that Kathak was in the temples where it was mostly devotional. It was to God. Or they were singing for a wedding. So in the wedding, the bride became Sita and the bridegroom became Ram. So it was all codified into religion. एक मिनट पानी देंगे भैया खोल दे in the Mughal courts, Kathak moved from praising the deity to praising the Nawab. तुमसे खूबी ललित कलाओं को मिली, तुमसे खूबी संगीत की फजाओं को मिली, तुमसे ऐशा खुशबू संगीत की नृत्य के अदाओं को मिली. So from God they started praising the king who was responsible for their livelihood, and that is how from the courts it went through a period of decline. The decline was the phase during the Britishers, who termed it as Nach, and it was more prevalent in the women, the tawaifs and the ladies who were dancing. But that is the time when the Gharana system came into existence, because they had to preserve what they had. It could not be concentrated on the ladies, so the families of these dancers took over, where they preserved their their learning. From father to son, it was transferred orally and kept alive in a phase where there was a total decline. Post-independence, again, Kathak started rising. Girls from all families and boys from all families started performing. And this is how Lucknow Gharana came into existence. Similarly, for Jaipur Gharana, it is said that Bhanuji got a dream from Lord Shiva, who taught him the Tandavang of dance. Hence, if we look into the repertoire of the Jaipur Gharana, it's more aggressive, it has more speed, it has more intricacy in terms of lay, because उनके यहाँ तैयारी बहुत थी. They had a lot of element of their speed element was very, very big. So these people there also, there were 210 villages in Churu district who had families living in every single village who were participating. There was Hanuman Prasad ji and Narayan Prasad ji in one village. There were other people, Dula Ram ji, Chiranji Lavli in a different village. They were all very, very accomplished artists, because each one was somebody was adept in abhinay, the other was adept in rhythm, one was training circles, the other was training in rhythmic patterns. So these people started growing, and as in Lucknow Ghalana, there was a migration. There was a migration from in Lucknow, from Handia to the courts, from Handia to Banaras, where the tabla gharana and the vocal gharanas came into existence, right? They came into existence. And similarly, there was a migration in Jaipur also, where these people also moved out, and some of them kept the crux of their training in hand. The others started learning from the different gharanas also, so that their repertoire could be enriched, and then they could be each one wants to complete. It's a whole journey of an artist trying to complete himself. So if I find completion with Maharaji, I stay with Maharaji. If another one finds completion with X, he goes to X. That was the procedure. So Jaipur Gharana itself has a very big history, very big talents, and people like in Lucknow we had Binda Deen Maharaji, who he contributed to the dance almost like 2,000 thumris, which are danced even till today. Here in Jaipur you have Sundar Prasad ji, who wrote an aarti on dancing. It was Aarti Kariye Nritya Kala ki. Thaat Ahmad Paran, this is the way it went, and it described every element of dancing. Sundar Prasad ji wrote a lot of poems and couplets for the rashis, for the various gods, for the various aspects of dance. So each gharana contributed heavily towards the enrichment of the style. Naturally, because I am from Lucknow Gharana, I know more about Lucknow, but I also have very deep regard for the other gharanas. Similarly, in Banaras, we had Janki Prasad ji and Sukhdev Maharaj ji, who in different eras contributed to what is Banaras Gharana today. Janki Prasad ji was dancing, and they say ki from Bikaner, Chunni Lal ji was brought by his father Hanuman Prasad to Banaras. Chunni Lal ji used to dance like a girl. He was very beautiful. So Janki Prasad ji loved him and kept him and taught him for years together, and then he went back to the Bikaner courts, but what he was dancing was Banaras Gharana. So there was an interchange between everybody. And today I think the Gharana system doesn't hold that much good, because we love each other so much. We perform together, we work together, we eat together, we fight together. So we are one today. And I think that was what the Gharana was meant for. They were storehouses of knowledge. But that knowledge was supposed to emanate. Coming back to the Banaras Gharana, Sukhdev Maharaj was a big name. And he had very big dancers in the family, from Sitara Devi ji to Gopi Krishnan ji to present my most beloved Vishal Krishna ji, whom I feel is a rock star. He's not a dancer, he's a rock star. When he enters, he just lights the stage. He's one of my most favorite artists. I have favorite artists everywhere, in every gharana, but Vishal has a very, very special place. And today, now I think we have talked about all the various gharanas, we have talked about everything. We should now come back to the practical aspect. I would like to begin the evening with a small demonstration of Angikam, which is being performed by my very dear Mukesh Gangani, who is the son of a very dear friend of mine, Praveen Gangani. And Praveen Gangani was Maharaji's student, apart from being from the Jaipur School of Kathak. And I tell you, what he dances in Lucknow is better than we dance in Lucknow. So I invite Mukesh to please present his little bit and say a few words also about Banaras, which about Jaipur, which I may have missed out.
It is so unfortunate that yesterday we have lost our king of Kathak, Pandit Birju Maharaj ji. The pain dwells in all our hearts across the gharanas. He was a person who have risen beyond all gharanas, all school of and style of Kathak. He has, if I may say, he had his impression, his dance impressions in every Kathak artist today. And there is a very special relation I had with him through my father, because my father belonged to Jaipur Gharana, but he was the first Jaipur student who went to Maharaj ji and learned from him, and Maharaj ji also accepted him. So there the journey started. It is, for me, it's very difficult to say anything about him, because I could be saying anything and it will be so less. So today I will present a small composition of Lord Shiva, which says about 4 kind of abhinayas. It will be a flower at the feet of our Lord Kathak Guru Pandit Birju Maharaj ji. Thank you.
चन्द्र तारादितं नमः सात्विकं शिवं निसा सा सा निसा सा सा निसा सा सा निसा सा सा पानी नी पानी नी पानी नी पानी गा पा पा गा 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 पा गा गा पा गा रे 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 सा सा नी पा गा पा नी पा गा सा रे पा नी रे सा गा पा नी रे नी सा नी पा नी सा 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 गा गा पा पा नी नी सा नी पा सा नी पा गा पा 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 नी नी रे सा पा गा पा गा रे पा 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 नी नी रे सा पा गा पा गा रे पा 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 नी नी रे सा नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय।
Beautiful. I'm sure Maharaji must be showering his love and blessings on you. The second performance is by my very dear Aman Pandey, who is a student of Vishal Krishna, who again is very, very close to my heart. And I welcome him and I request him to say a few words before he begins.
जैसे कि आज आपके सामने कल्पना मैम ने आपको सब घराने के बारे में बताया ही होगा, आज मैं प्रेजेंट करूंगा बनारस घराना। बनारस घराना स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से हुआ? सुखदेव महाराज जी, पंडित सुखदेव महाराज जी जब बनारस में जब आए तो वो देखा कि बनारस प्रॉपर खुले हैं। जैसे जब तबले जो बनारस घराने का जो तबला है, जब हम लोग तबले पे बैठते हैं या तबला बजाते हैं तो खुले अंग होते हैं, जैसे कत 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 धा कतान, मतलब खुले अंग है। तो इस तरह बनारस भी हमारा खुला अंग है और ये पुरुष प्रधान नृत्य है, मतलब तांडव नृत्य है इसमें। तो जब ये मुगल में जब दरबारों में जब इसे प्रेजेंट किया जाता था बनारस घराने को, जब फिर बनारस घराना जब मंदिरों तक आया, मंदिरों से फिर जब इसे रंगमंच मतलब प्रेजेंट किया गया, तो रंगमंच पर क्या हुआ कि उन्होंने बोला कि क्यों ना मेल और फीमेल, जो मेल है वो शिव और कृष्ण के रूप में अपने गेटअप में आकर एक अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करे, और जो फीमेल है वो राधा या पार्वती के रूप में अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करे। तो इस तरीके से हमारे बनारस घराने को बाकी सितारे देवी जी, गोपी कृष्णा जी और अलकनंदा देवी जी ने और तारा जी ने इसे प्रॉपर इसे अपने बनारस स्टाइल को मतलब प्रॉपर खुले अंग में प्रेजेंट किया। उसी तरह विशाल कृष्णा जो मेरे फर्स्ट गुरु हैं पंडित विशाल कृष्णा जी, आज मैं उनका कुछ छवि आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करूंगा। जो मैंने उनसे तालीम लिया है, जो मैंने उनसे सीखा है, वो मैं आपके सामने आज प्रेजेंट करूंगा। तो आज शिव वंदना से मैं प्रस्तुत करूंगा जो तांडव पुरुष प्रधान नृत्य है, और बाकी आपके सामने। और कुछ थोड़ी सी मैं बोलना चाहूँगा महाराज जी के बारे में, रिस्पेक्टेड पंडित बिरजू महाराज जी को, जो आज मैं प्रेजेंट नहीं करूँगा। आज मैं उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि द्वारा अपने नृत्य को उनको अर्पण करूँगा। तो महाराज जी जहाँ भी हों, मेरे नृत्य को देख रहे हों, तो मैं इनसे ही प्रार्थना करूँगा कि हम युवक को हमारे नृत्य को आगे बढ़ाते रहें।
That was very, very beautiful.
पुरुष और प्रकृति के मिलन से ही सकल धरा का सृजन हुआ है, और आदि स्वरूप शंकर महादेव पुरुष रूप का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं और इस सकल धरा के सृजन का साधन माने जाते हैं। वह शिव जिसकी प्राकल्पना मात्र संहारक के रूप में किया जाता है, वह शिव मात्र संहारक नहीं अपितु भक्त वत्सल भोलेनाथ हैं, जो कि अपने भक्तों की भक्तिपूर्ण पुकार सुन सहज उन पर प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं। शिव यक्ष के रूप को धारण करते हैं और लंबी लंबी खूबसूरत जिनकी जटाएं हैं, जिनके हाथ में पिनाक धनुष है, जो सत्य स्वरूप है अर्थात सनातन है। यकार स्वरूप दिव्य गुण संपन्न उज्जवल स्वरूप होते हुए भी जो दिगंबर हैं, जो शिव नागराज वासुकी का हार पहने हुए हैं। वेद जिनकी 12 रुद्रों में गणना करते हैं। पुराण उन्हें शंकर और महेश कहते हैं। उन शिव का स्वरूप विचित्र है। अर्धनंग शरीर पर राख या भभूत मले, जटाधारी, गले में रुद्राक्ष और सर्प लपेटे तांडव नृत्य करते हैं। तथा नंदी जिनके साथ रहता है, उनकी भ्रिकुटी के मध्य में तीसरा नेत्र है। वे सदा शांत और ध्यान मग्न रहते हैं। ऐसे आशुतोष, नीलकंठ, शंभु, अविनाशी, गंगाधर, महादेव, कैलाशी को हम अपनी प्रणामांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। जटा जूट मत गंगा छलकत शीश चंद्रमा ललाट झलकत व्याल माल गिरवाप चपुलकत त्रिपुंड कानन कुंडल हलकत भस्म अंग त्रिनेत्र दिगंबर निर्तत गिर कैलाश शिखर पर कर त्रिशूलधारी त्रिपुरारी तत्तच्छोम ततक्षोम तक्षोम तक्षोम छोम छनन छोम छोम छनन छोम छोम छनन आ छिछ छम 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 छिछ छम छम छम।
जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकां जटाटवी कलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकां वट्टमर्वयं चकार चण्ड ताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरि विलोलवीच वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगत् 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 ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टपावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतीक्षणं मम धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरा सुरद्दिगन्त सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरिणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मे तु वस्तुनि
बम 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 गिर 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 झंग 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 थारी कुकु कत्ता 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 धित्ता त्राम त्राम कुकु तड़न धा ओम डिमिक डिम डमरू बाजे, ओम डिमिक डिम डमरू बाजे, ओम डिमिक डिम डमरू बाजे, गिर कैलाश शिखर पर राजे, धिमिम धिमिम ध्वनि मृदंग बाजे, धिमिम धिमिम ध्वनि मृदंग बाजे, धिमिम धिमिम ध्वनि मृदंग बाजे, शीश गंग अर्धंग विराज, उमा रमा हरि सरसुर साजे, कर त्रिशूल डमरू लिए नाच, कर त्रिशूल डमरू लिए नाच, कर त्रिशूल डमरू लिए नाच, शिव छम 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 छन नन 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 तत थै थै ता थै थै ता थै थै ता, शिव छम 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 छन नन 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 तत थै थै ता थै थै ता थै थै ता, शिव छम 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 छन नन 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 तत थै थै ता थै थै ता थै थै ता।
शिव 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 शिव
धगतिट तगतिट कृततिट तगतिट गदगिन नागतिट घिंतलान धटिदा गेंतदा 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 गेंतदा।
शिव 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 शंकर आदिदेव शंकर आदिदेव, शंभु भोलानाथ शंभु भोलानाथ, योगी महादेव शिव 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 शिव। महाबली शिव महाबली शिव आदि अंत शिव, महाबली शिव आदि अंत शिव, पूरन सकल काज हर हर महादेव शिव 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 शिव। शिव शिव शंकर आदिदेव शंकर आदिदेव, शंभु भोलानाथ शंभु भोलानाथ, योगी महादेव शिव 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 शिव। शिव शिव शंकर आदिदेव शंकर आदिदेव, शंभु भोलानाथ शंभु भोलानाथ, योगी महादेव शिव 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 शिव।
Fantastic, Aman. Beautiful. Beautiful. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. Now we have Siddhant coming in as a representative of the Jaipur style of Kathak, and he's a beautiful dancer. He's with us in our repertory also, in Kalahetu repertory, and I'm very proud to have him and with my association with him. Come, Siddhant, come.
Then, every pa, every pa, every pa, every पाँच एक पा दिन दिन नाथ दिन दिन नाना दिन 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 नाथ दिन दिन नाना दिन तत थे धी की नगन कत्रा तत थे काम दे थे तत थे यहाँ से पा म ग म ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे सा पा म ग म ग रे सा दिन दिन नाना दिन दिन नाना दिन दिन दाद दिन दिन नाना दिन तत थे दाद इधर दे तत दाग 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 दिन दिन ना दिन दिन नाना दिन 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 नाना दिन दिन नाना दिन दिन नाना दाद थे थे ता दा एक एक दो दो तीन तीन चार चार पाँच पाँच छः छः सात सात आठ आठ नौ दिन 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 नाना दिन दिन एक पा पैकेट टिकट 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 Gamadani nidamaga gamadani sare sa nidamaga magare sa magare sa magare sa gamadani nidamaga gamadani sare sa nidamaga magare sa magare sa magare sa gamadani nidamaga gamadani sare sa nidamaga magare sa magare sa magare sa gamadani sa nidama gamadani sa दिन दिन नाना तगिट तगिट दा ता दिगिट तगिट दा ता तगिट 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 दा 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 दिगिट तगिट दा ता दिगिट तगिट दा ता दिगिट तगिट 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 दा दा दिगिट तगिट दा ता दिगिट तगिट दा ता दिगिट तगिट तगिट दा दिन दिन नाना दिन दिन ता दिन दिन ता थे दर थे आ थे दर थे तत दाग 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 ना ता थे दर थे आ थे दर थे तत दाग 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 ना ता थे दर थे आ थे दर थे दाग 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 सा 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 गा 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 मा 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 दा 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 नी गा मा दा नी सा 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 दिन दिन नाना दिन दिन दाद दिन नाना दिन ना दात कतूंगा धागे दिंग ता दादिन ता दित्ता कर दात का दूंगा तक तका चल के तक दिन दाग दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात कर एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात कर एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात दात कतूंगा धागे दिंग ता दादिन ता दित्ता कर दात का दूंगा तक तका चल के एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात दात कतूंगा धागे दिंग ता दादिन ता दित्ता कर दात का दूंगा तक तका एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात दिन दाद दिन नाना दिन 1 2 3 4 तारी 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 1 2 तारी 1 2 3 4 तारी 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 तारी 1 2 3 4 5 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 तारी 1 2 5 तारी 1 2 3 4 5 तारी 1 2 3 4 5 6 तारी 1 2 तारी 1 2 3 4 5 6 तारी 1 2 तारी 4 5 6 तारी 1 2 तारी 1 2 3 4 5 6 तारी 1 2 तारी 1 2
performance. I am sure wherever Maharaji is, he must be really enjoying this. I hope so. And we are coming towards the end of the lecture, where I will be presenting 2 compositions that have been written by my guru. The music is also by my guru. These are pure Abhinay pieces that I am doing. And both of them are, one of them is based on Lord Krishna, and the other is about the Naika who is hiding her love for her lover, and how she is expressing it. I think you will be able to understand once we start performing. Thank you.
एक बार बंसी ना बाजी घन श्याम सो, गोपी मुस्कात गई निरखत है अचरज सो। कान्हा की प्रीत भरी श्वास गई राधा में, बंसी रिसियाए गई बोलत ना श्याम सो। अरे बाजी ना बंसी कई कारण मन बेज गयो, कान्हा कर जोरे ठाड़े पूछत है मुरली सो। देख व्यथा कान्हा की बंसी ने मान तजी, फिर बाजी रे बाजी, फिर बाजी बिज श्याम सो। सांवरा गिरधर मुरे मन भाई रे, मन भाई रे। मन भाई रे, सांवरा गिरधर मुरे मन भाई रे। चाल चंचल चपल नैना, चाल चंचल चपल नैना, बाँखी चितवन मीठे बैना, बाँखी चितवन मीठे बैना। मधुर बंसी धुन बजावत, मधुर बंसी धुन बजावत, श्रवण मोरे मन भाई रे। सांवरा गिरधर मोरे मन भाई रे, मन भाई रे। सांवरा गिरधर मोरे मन भाई रे। तेरी ता थे ता थे ता थे लेत फेरी ता थे ता थे ता थे नूपुर झन झन गाए रे नूपुर झन झन गाए रे हाट लेत त्रिभंग शोभित हाट लेत त्रिभंग शोभित दृष्टि सुख बरसाए रे सावरा गिरधर मोरे मन भाए रे मन भाए रे सावरा गिरधर मोरे मन भाए रे राखूं तेरो राखूं तेरो ध्यान मन में राखूं तेरो ध्यान मन में गया तेरी सदा पाऊं गया तेरी सदा पाऊं देहु दर्शन शरण भगवन देहु दर्शन शरण भगवन धन भय ब्रज श्याम रे सावरा गिरधर मुरे मन भाए रे मन भाए रे सावरा सावरा सावरा
This was a little offering to Lord Krishna, in which they say that the dark face of Krishna always attracts me. Whether he's a child, whether he's a grown-up, whether he's my lover, Lord Krishna always attracts me. Now my second number is of the Nayaka, or of the lady who pines for her beloved.
टेक्नीशियन बुलाने का डर।
We would like to end today's evening with an amalgam of the three gharanas on a single tukra. The bols of the tukra are these are all parans. They are very powerful bowls, and according to Maharaji, they are mantras. It's a language of music, a language of dance, and hence it relays across the gharanas. We are three people performing the same tukra with different movements. I hope you enjoy it. आइए. Anahita ji, I hope you're there. I hope you
Yes,
liked.
I'm here. I'm amazed from everything. Thank you so
I hope
much.
you liked
Bravo
it.
to you.
And we are three different styles of people standing on a common platform with a lot of love today. There is no competition. Nobody is trying to outdo the other. Nobody is trying to overlap anybody. Each one is a blossom in this garden of Kathak. Each one is a blossom in this garden of Kathak, where each one has its own smell, its own flavor, and its own beauty. I end this particular workshop with a few lines from my guru. And Anahita ji, your camera is, I think, off. So I hope you did see what we were trying to do.
Yes, I did see everything, every detail. I'm amazed. Thank you so much.
So it's our pleasure.
Due to today, I did not put any makeup. I did not prepare
I think you are
myself for a
lovely as it
special
is.
occasion. And thank you so much for your dance. You are praying in dance. You are connecting. You have connected us to the Creator.
Thank you
so much for everything.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. And we will meet in the second lecture on 27th, where we talk about Islam and Sufism, where we have Amir Khusro's family singing Sufi, and we have Rani Khanam, she's a Muslim dancer, who will be doing Sufi Kathak. So I want to give as much variety as possible within our three lectures, so that you remember that we love dancing, we love people who love dancing, and that is the way things proceed. I think they are giving a small AV of my guru in the end. कोई AV है आखिर में? नहीं है? Okay. This has been our pleasure, and I think all our pleasure to be able to stand in front of you, and I hope we were able to make our points through. Thank you. Namaste, namaste, namaste. It's been our
Namaste.
pleasure.
Thank you so much.
No, it's our pleasure. And we meet on 27th again. ठीक है?
Yes, see you very soon. ठीक है, बहुत ठीक है.
God bless and bye-bye and take care. Stay safe.
You too.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, bye.